Good morning. It's Rachel with Dakota Wind Meat Goats. Oh, and it is April 23rd. Oh. Just coming out to see what everybody's up to. See what's going on down here. Maybe nothing. Okay, so we put this fence in about 20 years ago, 15, 20 years ago, to make sure the goats couldn't get into the trees, and it failed a couple of winters ago. The snow went and crushed down the fence, so today we're taking it out, and then hopefully soon we will put in a new fence, because they of course can get in, then they can't figure out how to get out because they're goats. But we love them anyway. Okay, so we pulled all the clips off. Now we're putting the fence on this side because the trees and stumps make it hard to if I can raise it over here, make it hard to fold up the wire. We don't roll it, we fold it, because we're not going to use this again, because we've got much better stuff, and reusing wire is not a fun thing. And this stuff has these little holes, and the does like to get their heads caught in it, so we're going to use something that they can't get their heads caught in. This was a project we wanted to do last summer. However, it just didn't work because we were doing a lot of haying. And it rained all the time, and it is miserable doing a project like this out in the rain. So we're gonna do it this year. So I think from that post there, we're actually gonna go to the left side of the H brace and put an H brace out this way, so we can get a nice tight fence and get off of this old fence line, because putting fence back up where you had a fence, an original fence, is a tough thing, because it gets overgrown and it's hard to put in a tight fence. And it being spring, we're gonna all have to do tick checks tonight. Tick season. Next time we put, or when we put this fence in, we're gonna put it where the posts face out, so they'll be leaning against it instead of pushing it off the posts. Not sure why we did it this way when we originally did it. Sure, there was a reason. Sure, I don't know what it is. And this is what we used to use to pull this type of fence tight. There we go. Oh. Nice little water hydrant. So that was the fence that we put up. Was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. Still doing really good. So little by little, getting the fences put up so we can have better pasture. This is, I think, the last one, unless we decide to put pasture around our hay field. That might be a next year project. If we had a drought year, then that's what we would be doing, is putting up fence. But in a wet year, we're paying attention to our alfalfa and all of that. How's it going? I'm going to insert this in there. Okay. Do you want to go all the way to the end, or do we want to cut it?
I don't think we'll be able to lift it.
I agree.
Because it's getting kind of heavy.
Let's see. Right here, so we can wrap it. Wasn't as bad to lift it over the posts as what I thought it was going to be. Only a little cussing and swearing. Yeah, that top wire is always. Got a little heavy. Okay. Then we bring the skid steer out and we suck all the posts out, and then we make a plan. What I was telling Mom is either on the H brace on the right, you're going to have to bring another H brace out. And then she was like, well, I don't know if I want it, you know, directly on this line because of all this crap here. I said either that, or on the left-hand side you bring one out, but you angle it to here.
I like that.
To me, that makes sense.
Oh yeah, that'd be a lot easier putting in.
Yeah. And then she wants a gate somewhere in here. That's going to take a little bit of thinking where we want to put a gate. Ugh, I hate dealing with barbed wire. You're gonna just sit there. Nope. Boom. Okay, so we dropped the wire off. Of course, the yearlings. Now the mosquitoes are coming out because the wind went down. Hi, girls.
Hello, ladies.
All right, let's get out of here before we get bitten. Oh, the heck. Oh, everybody's up in the yards. I guess I shouldn't say everybody. Oh boy, it was a tough day. Look at Dake. Hey, that's a lot of goats. I know I say that a lot, but that's a lot of goats. Oh, look at you. You're getting all nice and shedded off. looking a little icky until you get shedded off. Look at you guys are already shedded off. Oh, did you hurt yourself? Oh, somebody hurt themselves.
I think they're getting another growth spurt.
I think they are too.
Like we can't feed them enough.
Mm-hmm. Well, they want to be out on grass like everybody else.
You can barely see it.
Oh, I can see the big Canadian goose right there.
What they are is they're
Big.
starting a nest.
Mm-hmm.
Elizabeth was telling me that the geese are now pairing up, and she said the female geese are the ones who come back home to make a nest. They remember where their nest is, where they were hatched. And I mentioned to her, I said, you know, we had that snapping turtle.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, I think it was looking for a place to lay its eggs. I said, how in the heck can they have eggs and there's no male snapper? Or even the box turtle? And she said, that when the turtles get bred, they carry the sperm with them.
Oh,
So they can fertilize their own eggs.
that's cool.
I did not know that. I go, man, you're a wealth of information.
Right?
I went to college for that.
I learned that in college.
I went, wow. You need to come out more often and visit.
Come on. Oh my gosh, you guys. Are we, ouch. Are we still graining these ones? Okay. They act like, well, come on. Off of this little patch. 40 bales.
Oh, it was.
Yeah. But it was good to get them off of there because now it'll come back really nice. Oh, it's so peaceful out. I love it. Now that the screaming goats all went back. Bench right here, yep. And just sit, watch. But this is a really good buck pasture. Yeah, I'd say give it a couple more weeks. Hopefully these guys can hit a cycle, another cycle with these girls. They'll cycle.
It's a full moon right now. I don't see too much action at all, but who knows?
Either that or we work them and see if it'll bring them in. Yeah, those girls are happy as anything to be out on the green grass. But I think it's nice to keep some alfalfa in there with them so they don't overdo it on the grass. Jeez, dogs.
Just leave me alone now.
Yeah, when I pulled in today, was it yesterday, whatever day, one of them was over there by the road. I'm all like, ooh, you brave. Surprised the dogs don't do anything about that.
I want to see you.
Boy, they're loud.
I won't touch you. I just want to see you.
Don't jump in.
It's deep.
And it's stinky and it's cold. I know.
Reminds me of the Princess and the Frog.
Mm. This way.
Okay, Pew. Guess I'll have to lift you anyway.
This one?
Yeah, the two white ones.
Doesn't take them long to figure it out.
Pretty soon they'll just go look.
And pretty soon you'll just be able to open it and hopefully let the amount in. There's a much easier way of doing it.
Bending over.
Chasing in the goats, chasing in the goats. Tick, you need to go. He's all like, you didn't see me. Little shit. Oh, I think. No. Chew. Mom, you want to run in and open the door so that one can come in?
Yeah, might have to.
I'm not sure if it'll come around. Well.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Ha! Smarter than he looks. Maybe.
He's passing the test.
Yeah,
He's one of the Mayan times.
they are a little bit smarter.
They get straight A's.
In goat life. I don't know if the person needs to shut much down.
Well, if it's going to go from there to there.
Yeah, it's going to be a south wind. Maybe we open up the side ones for tonight and close this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, just to let the air in.
Okay.
I'll shut this if you want to go open that. Hoot. It's nice when the nights don't fall below 0 or below freezing. It's 32 here in US. What? Come on.
Gizmo.
Let's go. All right. That should do it for this evening. Hello, Butters. We love you. We love Butters.